3100 watt remote start inverter. Its portability and power combine to provide you with clean, reliable energy whenever you need it. Perfect to use while camping, taking small trips, or with your RV. Included with this unit is a set of automotive-style battery charger cables, which can be used to charge a car battery. Also included is a 12-volt USB adapter, which can be used to charge various electronic devices. This unit can be started manually, just like any other generator. But it can also be started electrically, using the power switch on the panel. Or, it can be started from the comfort of your home, tent, or RV using a remote. Just press once and the inverter will start itself. A digital 15-second power delay allows you to leave your electronic devices still plugged in for startup and shutdown, a feature unlike any